All right, ICT traders, welcome back to the channel. Just a very quick one right here. Let's answer a particular question that was asked by this particular subscriber right here. He says, boss, please make a video about ICT balance price range. Now, I've made a video explaining this concept some few weeks ago. I did not specify that that concept is what ICT calls ICT balance price range. All right, so I'll be going into explaining it in detail right here. You can find the videos right here. This particular video where I said is an ICT entry setup that you need to watch. All right, so let me just go quickly and show you exactly what the ICT balance price range is. Now, it is simply when you have a confluence between two fair value gaps. When you have two fair value gaps overlapping each other, that is when you have a balance price range. Now, this is it on this case. You can see there is a very big fair value gap right here by my right hand side and a very small fair value gap right here by my left hand side. So when you have these two confluences where the smaller fair value gap is inside the big fair value gap, this area becomes an attraction point for price. So when you have a break of structure or a shift of market structure, price is often coming back to locate this place. This kind of setup is one of the most powerful setups. That was exactly what I explained in that video. So this is what ICT calls balance price range. I will show you that on the chart shortly, but just look at this. When you have a BC and CB, that is a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, and sell side inefficiency, buy side imbalance. Okay, so when you have this big one, can you see this very big fair value gap, and you have a small fair value gap in it overlapping through each other? That is when you have a balance price range, and then that particular point becomes a point of attraction for price. Price is often coming back and hit this place, and then it begins to go in that direction. This kind of price setup will hardly fail you whenever you're using it for trade entry. So I have it right here on gold, the 1 hour time frame. Let me quickly show you how this plays out. Look at this particular price action right here. Okay, let me show you the delineation of everything right here. We see price having this kind of price action very perfectly. Price came, created this high, push like this, and had this movement. We have this very small fair value gap inside. You can actually see it, and then a very big fair value gap right here. All right, and just above here there is a shift in market structure right here. So that is your classical balance price range. You have a small fair value gap inside here, just here, and then the very big fair value gap is what is overlapping it. Okay, so right here is shifting market structure. Let me just adjust this one. I think I've just made a mistake right there. So this is it, and this one, that is your big fair value gap. And then we want to see price come back. If price is coming back, it will just target this smaller fair value gap inside, and that is a perfect point of entry. If you want to take trades from there, you can model it and make it one of your entry models if you want to use this simple concept right there. Balance price range, your stop loss is obviously below here, and you will target the opposing liquidity. So if you play it out, you're obviously going to see price give you that exact kind of movement, and here it goes. So notice how price actually came back into the smaller fair value gap. Look at how price behaved here. Okay, very perfect, and that is your balance price range, and then you have the movement from there. So anytime you see this kind of confluence, a very big fair value gap with a smaller fair value gap inside of it on both sides, where you have a CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and then you have BC, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, price is obviously going to locate the smaller fair value gap, and that gives you the balance price range. I hope this is understandable enough. You that asked the question should kindly watch this video and know exactly what that concept is. I actually made that video calling it fair value gap in a fair value gap entry model. But this is what it is in ICT's term. All right. So guys, this is all about this video. If you know this video really helped you, make sure you support this channel by giving this video a like, and then make sure you subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And let me know if you have any question in the comment. I will make a separate video explaining it for you. I'll go through the questions and then see the ones that deserves a video. And then the ones that I've already made a video, you can simply go to my channel and check them. Thank you guys for watching. See you in another video.